I swear to God, guys, I had no plan on picking this anime up, but I gave the second and third episode a try, and I actually love this anime. So if you want those reactions, get this video to 5,000 likes. And I'm sad to announce I haven't started smoking cigarettes yet. Maybe by the end of the season I will. 10,000 likes and I'll consider it. Why does this look so good? Who's animating this? Asmongold's house. Wait, is it a boy? Is this a boy? No, that's a girl. Those are girl lips. That animation on putting the cigarette out was way too good. Oh, fuck. That would have ruined my day. Yeah, this is the Blackbeard of Chainsmoker Cat. I heard he's actually one of the baddest villains in anime. There's nipples. It's been nice knowing you guys. Don't worry, you can live here for free. Just turn around and suck. Do any of you live like this? Seriously. Bro, imagine what her ass smells like that underwear. And I was just thinking about that. How'd they get this footage of me? You ever off in anger? You were so mad you had a jerk. Who the fuck chat said they wish they were the toilet? That is shooting out like you're pouring a glass. No, it's shooting out like a water gun. Oh my god. Holy shit. Guys, one in chat if you wish you were the toilet bowl. I better not see any ones. I better see twos. There's no ones. You shouldn't even think about it. I'm covering it. No, nobody. My head's cutting off. Motherfucker, man. Be mindful of your surroundings to avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Bro, we're learning how not to get cancer. Guys, one in the chat if you're gonna buy some cigarettes after watching this. Oh, that's smart. One of my dad's watching this. Well, I have one where you could have all of them. Oh, man, that happened to me last week. Y'all ever drop your cig inside some shit? That might be human shit. Wait, what part of the world is this? 3 second... I don't think that applies when it touches shit! Wait a minute, there's a bunch of them. They're all cat girls! A nice slice of life, guys. That's what the guy in the beginning was doing. Playing with his drill. Bro, I'm learning science with this anime. What does Naruto teach you? What the fuck is that? They do smoke a lot in Japan. I'm not gonna lie, bro. They smoke a little bit too much. Look at the vase. Oh, I need that. Yeah, I might start smoking after this. New Year's resolution, start smoking.
New Year's resolution is to quit smoking.
Smells like a train station? What kind? Japan or New York? Big difference. One smells good, the other one smells like asshole. 28 yen a day, bro? That's not even a cent. Imagine having 28 yen in New York, bro. The homeless have more than that. What a life. I'm starting to think this is probably a romance or Yuri, maybe? She hasn't bothered anyone yet, so I can't see why she would be a bad person. She's good to me. She's rich. How many lives has this cat left? When you have 9 lives, you can smoke as many cigs as you want, man. What she would be like without the cigarettes. Guys, who do you like better, left or the right? What a shithole. Oh my god, man. I saw somebody said this anime is gonna filter out the tourists. I might pick this up over Monster, to be honest with you. Why does this look so good? Don't try this at home. I will. I swear to God, I will. Is it in if it's animals? Here, kid, take this. Come on, give them some cigarettes. Sharing is caring.
にゃー、ハート型の煙にゃー。これはきっと演技。
Here he is, the goat, finally. Business is picking up. Bro, where are his eyes? Bro, this is literally him. Look, this is what they referenced. He looks like Kuma. Oh, God. Bro, is this the UK? Kuma's lost brother? Yeah, nah, bro, that is Kuma. That's Puma, my bad. Here we go. Shh.
まったく、妹ちゃんも。
No way. Come on, show the catnip.
空とかめんどくせえ、めんどくせえ。
Yeah, me too, to be honest with you. I don't like showering on most days. Oh, I gotta try that tonight. She actually showers? She says she hates it. Pay attention! Why is it covering her catnippies? Why is she wearing underwear? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense. I feel like this character would not wear underwear. Why is she wearing underwear? Is that Demon Slayer in the back? Who is this for? Who is this for? Who's the target audience? Is it you?
おー、今ちゃん。
Where are the impact frames? Oh,
こんにちは、関西さん。
that's a hot
いつも
cat.
姉がお世話になってます。
They're playing the opening on the light on the loudspeaker right now.
本当にあれ。
Wait a minute, this fur is actually high. I'd suck her tail. Doesn't this make you want to smoke a cigarette at a playground?
いや、3ヶ月。
3 months left!
もう少し長い。
Thankfully.
100猫
何？妹ちゃん。妹ちゃんを泣かすにゃ。
So looks better than One Punch Man. How is that possible?
それだけのことにゃ。
It's about a cat with a cigarette addiction.
みんなは禁煙だ、このクソ獣人が
Who animated this?
夢。
Mappa, I think.
肺がもう100日も夢だったにゃ。
It was all a dream. Maybe this anime's a dream.
体には気をつけてね。防護服でお見舞いする。今度こそは禁煙するにゃ。
Oh! It's called Chainsmoker Cat. Why would I watch this if she's not smoking? It's clickbait. False advertisement. She better not quit. You better get that lung cancer.
何があったかわからないけど。
Guys, what are we rating this out of 10?
綺麗にゃ。
They are pretty.
煙に